Try the wide angle. Oh God. Hey, she's actually pulling me now. I'm gonna go ahead and use the zoom feature, see how well it works. Alright, zoomed about halfway. Let's go all the way in, which is probably digital zoom. Go back into the middle. And now I am at full wide angle. Try the wide angle. Oh God. Kind of wide angle works not bad. Chloe's actually pulling me. I don't have to get her back here. Full bokeh test. Bokeh looking good. Hi Bowie, you want to ride? What? You want to go walking? More longboard? She wants more longboard. What are we gonna do?
I want to take her with me.
It's dog language.
Bowie looks like a puppy, right?
Yeah. She's done. Get really close to get some bokeh out of it. You like longboarding?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A YouTuber.
Alright, what else? Minecraft gamer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Thanks for your time. Bye. We're walking towards the beach. Let's see how the microphone works. I didn't put it on the hi-fi mode, which it has, just because you can't play it back in regular video player. Let's go to regular. Got that. Looking pretty good. So check out the sound. Do tell me how good the sound is. It should be in stereo. Let's try the wide angle. Really see, feel the sound. Alright, let's do a quick bokeh test. I'm going to go ahead and focus on the foreground, on the background, back on the foreground, back on the background. Pretty smooth transition. Nice bokeh. Alright, let me see how close I can get to this. About 3 inches out. Yeah, 3 inches is minimum focusing distance, I would say. looks great. Anyway guys, just did a quick test with the LG G6. Sort of average light. If you enjoy it, don't forget the thumbs up. I do have other videos of the LG G6 I took in Spain. Check that out. I'll have that in the description. And as always, stay. Go ahead.
Click here to subscribe. Time. 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 Time.